Hello everyone, great to have your company on Kalkine TV. I'm Sage, you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Today we'll be discussing 3 ASX mid-cap property stocks to watch in November 2021. These stocks include Gpt Group, Vicinity Centres and Charter Hall Group. Australia has one of the most expensive property markets given low interest rates, high consumer buying power and world-class infrastructure. The past year saw a sharp increase in house prices as Australian home value continued to rise despite the COVID-19 uncertainty. And as per CoreLogic data, Australian home values edged up 1.49% in October over the past month, indicating almost similar growth rates for the past couple of months. On the other hand, many property players continue to deal with the pandemic impact on office space demand. And nevertheless, Australia's position as a safe haven for overseas property buyers could give its property market another boost as the country gradually opens borders. In the current buoyant real estate space, let us take a look at 3 ASX-listed mid-cap property stocks that have remained in the spotlight. And at number 1 is Gpt Group. Owner, manager and developer of retail assets, Gpt Group, in its September quarterly update, indicated the impacts of COVID-19's lockdown, particularly in New South Wales and Victoria, on the retail portfolio performance. And as a result, compared to the corresponding quarter in 2020, total centre sales went down 45.7% and total specialty sales went down 54.2%. Meanwhile, the office portfolio occupancy increased to 94.3% for stabilised assets and logistics portfolio increased to 4.1 billion Australian dollars. However, the company's funds from operations and distribution guidance for 2021 remains withdrawn. And next on the list is Vicinity Centres. Australian retail property group Vicinity Centres has retail assets under management worth 22 billion Australian dollars across 61 shopping centres. The company recently acquired a 50% stake in Harbour Town, Premium Outlets Gold Coast in Queensland from Australian Prime Property Fund Retail for 358 million Australian dollars. The acquisition bolsters the market share leadership of Vicinity in Australia, expanding outlet centre space. And thus, Lewis Land Group, with 50% interest in the asset, will continue to manage the property while Vicinity would conduct all leasing activity. And finally, we have Charter Hall Group in the third spot. Australia's leading fully integrated property group, Charter Hall Group, engages in accessing, deploying, managing and investing equity across varying sectors such as office, industrial and logistics, retail and social infrastructure. The group is valued 3.4 billion Australian dollars of industrial assets, resulting in 329 million Australian dollars net gains. It represents a 9.6% increase over the 4 months since 30th June 2021. And Charter Hall Group's funds under management now exceed 54 billion Australian dollars. And thank you for joining us on that short and sweet report. That is all for now. And we'll be back soon with our Buzzing Trends show to share the latest market insights with you. But till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more of the stock, business and economy related hot trends. Sage signing off.